in image processing. Okay, and that is removing intrusion and extrusion in an image. Okay, so first of all, I'll be showing how you can remove intrusion using morphological image processing, and then I'll be showing how you can remove extrusion in an object using morphological image processing. So here I have written one simple code. The idea is very simple. If you have already checked my previous videos on erosion, dilation, then opening, closing, all those concepts, whatever I have discussed as application of morphological image processing, like boundary extraction, top head transformation, bottom head transformation, all this, then you can understand this particular concept very easily, believe me. So CLC clear closure warning of x equal to RGB to gray imread 2.jpg. And then imshow x. Let me just show you this particular image, and here you can clearly understand what is the problem happening in this particular object. Many black parts, which are basically background, are trying to enter in our original object, that is white, on the white pixel object. Many black parts which are background, they are trying to enter. Now these are called intrusion. So we can apply dilation technique to remove this. You may ask why. Idea is very simple. You just try to think. These are very small regions. So if we take one disk of sufficiently large size, which will not fit in this black intrusion parts, so what will happen? As the disk is not going to fit in these black parts, so those parts will become white. Okay, that is, those pixels will be turned on from off. Those are actually now off. Now when you apply dilation, what will happen? As those will not fit in the disk, so dilation technique, what it does, it turn on those parts which is not fitting, right? That is expansion of the circular shape. Okay, that's the simple idea. So we can apply dilation technique. So I have taken one disk of size 10, which is obviously, you have to choose wisely the size. You have to take the size such that the size is more than the intrusion part, but it is lesser than the object size. Okay, then imdilate I am applying, then plotting the original image and showing the filtered image. Okay, so that's all. If I run this particular part of the code, there is evaluate selection original image by a huge amount. Okay, you can see this is looking more accurately like circular shape. Okay, so using dilation technique, you can avoid intrusion present in your image. Now just the reverse thing, that is, if intrusion can be avoided using dilation technique, so in the reverse, so you can say extrusion can be avoided using erosion technique. Idea is again very simple. You choose one structuring element. If some particular part of your image is going outside the original object, then what will happen? The structuring element will not fit in those places, and those bits will be basically turned off. Okay, so here same code I have written, just this line is differing. Previously it was imdilate, now imerode. Before that, let me just show you our original image using imshow x to show you what is extrusion actually. Here you can clearly see how beautifully extrusion is shown. Here see, some parts of the object is coming outside. Now you want to make this proper circular. Apply erosion technique, and that's all. Explanation is same like earlier, just reverse thing. Okay, so if I run this particular code, see how beautifully we are getting. Here I have an image after performing dilation. Sorry, here it will be erosion. Alright, now if I run again, see, basically the extrusion part present in our original image is removed, and we are getting one proper circular shape in our output. Okay, so in this way you can avoid intrusion and extrusion using dilation and erosion morphological operation. I hope you have understood this particular concept. Same code will be posted in the description box. If you want, you take any image from Google, apply that the same concept and play with it, make some new project, new idea, and you will feel the subject very interesting this way. Okay, thank you for watching.